official rebuild of the carport has begun. Well, it has begun a long time ago. We've been had 3 poles up for about a week now. So, panel number 1. The first panel is getting drilled and bolted in. We just walked the other panel up there with the 2 ladders. I was on the short ladder. My brother, which is on the tall ladder now, was on that one. He's up there screwing it in and, you know, getting it in. So this is the reason why a lot of stuff hasn't been happening with the cars, because we've been basically doing this stuff here, trying to do the full, trying to get the old rebuild. This time it ain't going nowhere. Got hella concrete. I mean, we were just buying 80 bags like crazy, pound bags like crazy. So we got it sunk in the ground this time with the concrete. Yeah, so it's locked in there.
Excuse me.
Go back over there. Also, watch what you're doing. Film too at the same time you're moving. Move back if you can't see everything. Let's see. We put this first panel up and got it all bolted in and got it in place, and then we realized we really shouldn't have started right there, but since we put so much work into putting this panel right here, we figured we got it kind of, the way we're going to mount these panels, it's going to be hell trying to get them back off again. So rather than have to break all that up, we just decided to, you know, instead of just stop right there and start where we're supposed to start, which was on this edge right here. So far we only got 3 panels up. Eventually we'll be working from our right and going left. And at first we kind of messed up at first. We started left and went right, but you know, that's not the reason, you know, behind all this. And the placement, the first time we built this, actually, carport, we kind of did it wrong because we started with we started from the back right here and then built it across and then did this end and then built it across. But when we did it like that, the way the panels overlap each other, it was the wrong way. And when it rained, the water, instead of running all the way down out into the street, it would run and then, you know, because the panel was the wrong way, drip in the middle. So this setup is the right way. We had some issues last night because we were out here trying to do it in the dark, so I didn't film a lot of stuff, but that's what it is. Now it's set up to where the panels, I guess it's kind of hard to see. See if I can zoom in on it a little bit. Anyway, the panels are overlapped the right way. So this time around, we're doing everything the right way. We're doing it the way we should have did it the first time. Alright, what's up there, people? Spoke Riders here. He's out here working on the old carport, aka Operation Question Mark. We got it almost about the halfway point. This is actually a lot of work to get into this. So this is what we're doing. We usually do about four panels a week. Alright. Yeah. Here, take these glasses. I gotta go up this ladder here. Turn around without killing myself. Damn. This is what we pretty much first have to do. Some of the tools we're going to use. Some of that. And some of that. Here's the pour drop top. First, you gotta drill a hole. Okay. And what you're drilling is drilling actually through the roof and through the pole right here. So we can hook it on. This is the hole from the old setup. And we noticed the rust around here because we didn't use liquid nail before to seal everything up. So there's the hole. Blow a little shavings out the way. Put a liquid nail in there. Okay. Get a screw here. Get a washer. These are just self-tapping bolts. Get this in here like so. And you just gotta use this and tighten it down. In Houston, we have a problem. Alright, there it is. And voila, there we have it. End up each panel gets 6 across, so 12 bolts all together to hold it on. 6 on one end, 6 on the other. And that's what we've been doing. That's why, not an easy job, but it's got to be done. Alright, y'all. Okay. What's up, people? Spoke Riders here. Put in a little work last night on the old carport. And we're almost there, y'all. We're almost back in action. We almost got it. It's been a long, tough battle. We just got 3 more panels to go. 1 right there, and then 2 right there. Now, I know on the video it looks kind of easy, and you know, you're probably asking yourself, oh, why is it taking so long? These guys are, you know, these guys move in slow motion. But no, that's not the case. As you've seen in the other clip of us on the ladder putting in, each panel is pretty big, and where the panel's at, you know, we got them in the backyard. That's where we were storing them. Between moving the panels, getting up on the ladder, placing the panel on there, positioning the panel, or locking the panel, interlocking the panels in each other, positioning the panel, drilling the holes, putting in the bolts, I'd say each one panel probably takes about an hour and a half to do. So you're talking an hour and a half each panel. And the thing about it is we don't really have the time to, it's not a one-man operation. You got to have at least 2 people. And the problem is, between me and my brother, we don't really have the time to you know, just be out here, just do them all in one whop. You know, yeah, when we first built this thing, you know, it was a different situation because you know, we're both here, you know, at the same time a lot. But now, you know, both me and my brother work full-time jobs, and we're not off on the same days. He's off on the weekends and I'm off during the week. So, you know, that means we have to get out here and do this after we get off of work. Now, the problem with that is doing it after we get off of work in the evening is all cool in theory, but we only have maybe 3 hours of sunlight to do it in. We can't do it in the dark. Now, the thing about it is, each panel takes an hour and a half. So, you know, if we hustle, we can usually only get maybe 2 panels a week done. Because, you know, it's just not as easy as what you would think. But we're almost back in action. We're almost completely done with it. Just got these last 3 panels. Now, once we get back to that shady goodness, that shade, it'll be time to, you know, get wrenching on the cars again. This is the main reason why there hasn't been a lot of car videos since the carport went down. So there it is, y'all. Just a quick little fast update. My camera's flashing, battery's about ready to go dead. So this is Spoke Riders here, signing out. Alright, y'all. Keep it 100.